Metalspan and Alucopanel together have completed the CWCT for Rainscreen Cladding with A1 non-combustible ACM. Partnering with Alucopanel A1 non-combustible ACM is one of the best technologies available in the world at the moment.
Hello everyone. Today I have Mr. Ramzeen Rauff. He's co-founder of Inosus Facade in the United Kingdom. And they have a brand called Metalspan, which is in partnership with Alucopanel A1. So let me welcome Mr. Ramzeen Rauff. How are you, sir?
Thank you. First of all, I'm very well. Thank you, Zohaib. It's a pleasure to be here with you today.
Most welcome.
To be part of your podcast.
I want to ask Ramzeen, cladding fire is a global issue. Tell us something about yourself and about your company, and what solution you're offering post Grenfell fire. I believe the audience will learn a lot.
Thank you, Zohaib, again for having me today. So we come from building facade industry. As a company, Inosus stands for innovative and sustainable. Inosus came up with the idea of providing solution for the building facade industry, which is currently been facing post-Grenfell, has been one of the biggest challenges faced by the construction industry. I would say as a company, we came into this space to provide a non-combustible building facade solution.
Excellent.
And also equally, one of the primary objectives of Metalspan is to provide a non-combustible facade material and also sustainable. If you look at the industry, there are so many different brands.
Yes.
The challenge being faced by the architects in the construction industry is to find a product fire safe, in the meantime a sustainable product. So that's where I think we make a difference. With the A1 non-combustible ACM material, it provide answers for both questions, safety and sustainability. Generally, the UK construction industry have experts in each field. The material suppliers would be the manufacturer or the representative of the manufacturer. They come up with a technology, which would be the product. And then providing a system is equally important.
Yeah.
So the facade experts or facade specialists would come up with the product combined with the system. Then they would provide the solution as a system. But then again, the entire process has other additions to it, like fabrication and installation service. So when you look at the industry, there will be partners working together as a material supplier or the system provider, and the fabrication companies and installation companies. So all of them actually work hand in hand to provide a solution. So in our case, as a company, as a co-founder of Metalspan, we bring over 30 years of combined experience from the building facade industry in the UK. And we have covered some of the European projects and then Middle Eastern projects, and also South Asian projects and Asia Pacific. So one of the things that we looked at specifically post-Grenfell is to tackle the challenges faced by the facade industry. How do we actually bring a solution? Like I said before, the two primary goals are providing safety and sustainability, providing safe living space. So this is where Metalspan is actually becoming a major player to provide a good solution for the facade industry.
What are your plans for 2025?
We're very excited being a company coming up with the technology which only came into being in the 2020.
Yes.
A1 non-combustible ACM is one of the best technologies available in the world at the moment. And we are proud to be partnering with Alucopanel in this space. We have together with Alucopanel, Metalspan has actually done the CWCT test, which is a great experience, and which is
I must appreciate you for all your efforts, because I know that it has been the most difficult task to do, to combine the product, like arranging from the time of arranging materials and installation and then testing and being available all the time. So I believe you have put in a lot of efforts, basically.
Absolutely. And first of all, I would like to thank you for your support. And actually, we worked with industry specialists like Rockwool, DuPont, and Siderice to complete this CWCT test. So therefore, Metalspan and Alucopanel together have completed the CWCT for Rainscreen Cladding with A1 non-combustible ACM. We're the first in the world, which is something we are very proud to have achieved. And we have actually developed systems, which is one of the main advantages that the customers would have from us, because to make sure that the facade is rear ventilated rainscreen cladding, pressure equalized, this is very important. So the designs that we have come up with various systems certainly helps the design community to achieve their architectural intent and the goals, and equally the clients and the end users. So our systems are designed and developed and engineered to provide maximum fire safety, at the same time providing a sustainable solutions, which is very important. Zohaib, as you know, today we are talking about global warming, climatic challenges. We are looking for solutions that can reduce the carbon footprint of the construction industry, which is contributing approximately 30% of the overall global carbon emission. And if you look at the facade industry, if you look at the building facade, then again, actually, it's contributing more than 1/4 of the carbon footprint is actually coming from the building facades. So therefore, it is important that the facade companies have to come up with solutions, constantly pushing the boundaries to innovate, to come with technology. That is where I think Alucopanel has come up with the best product, A1 non-combustible ACM. Together with Alucopanel Metalspan, we have actually done a great job in providing a good solution for this industry.
So Ramzeen, thank you very much for all the efforts you are putting in for Alucopanel. And same way, you will see all the support from our side to Metalspan. And I know a lot of people are talking about Metalspan because you guys are doing a lot of posting on social media, on LinkedIn, everywhere. So I would appreciate your team. They are creating a very nice content for LinkedIn.
Thank you.
So the last question, but not the least, what do you think about 2-meter innovation? Which is, first of its kind in this region, with wood finish, marble, stone, granite, all these finishes. What are your views?
I would like to say, I think it's a big advantage in terms of construction, because it's always the challenge is to find a product that can provide the best architectural advantage for the architects to create something nice. So 2-meter wide panels hardly come by, because if you can see, the ACM product always has been either 1.25 meter or 1.5 meter.
Maximum,
So achieving 2 meter, I would like to congratulate on achieving that one.
Thank you so much. It's a team effort, Alucopanel team work day and night.
Absolutely. And I think where you actually have done a great job in terms of adding wood finishes and to achieve highly durable product, which is again partnering with the bigger brands like Becker's. We don't have to explain about Becker's. It's a very old company with over 150 years of knowledge and expertise. So these things are very important to provide best solution for the building facade industry.
Correct. Thank you very much for the explanation. Just to add on, Ramzeen, the natural finishes, what we have developed, wood finish, stone finish, the best part of this development is you can customize. Let's say if you are looking at our color chart and you like the pattern, but you don't like the color, you can ask us to make it darker, lighter. Even you can change color. So we have done substantial amount of projects in the UAE. Our recent project was a Japanese garden project, which was 11,000 square meter wooden finish. They like the pattern, but they don't like the color. So we had to rematch and provided, we supplied what they wanted basically. So they wanted a little darker. We did it. We called them in our coil coating line. And it's an online approval kind of system. So customer, we will, adjust the color in the presence of client and consultant. So wherever they will say stop, this is locked, that formula is locked, and we can do. So same goes with the stone finish. Let's say you don't like gray, you say make it dark black, make it purple, make it green. Any color of your choice can be customized. So this is the only setup in the Middle East and North Africa region that can do. Other part of the world, they have the setup, but they don't have it 2 meter. So I believe Metalspan is going to enjoy this particular innovation in the United Kingdom.
Absolutely. I think having seen the factory in my visit today, I have gone through your PVDF line, which is an amazing factory with 3 production lines and a PVDF coating line. And what you have achieved over the last, more than a decade, it's close to 1.5 decade, I think. So it's amazing. And constantly pushing the boundaries to come up with the A1 non-combustible material is one of the greatest achievement actually you have achieved, which we are proud to be part of.
Yes.
And then we are looking forward together. We are looking forward to provide the best facade solution for the construction industry in the UK, Europe, and rest of the world.
Perfect, Ramzeen. I believe I wish I wanted to sit with you for a longer time. I know that you have a flight to UK, so I made it a little shorter. And I wish you a safe journey. And thank you very much for visiting Alucopanel facility and the podcasting setup and everything. So next time when you come, I'll make sure that we have much better than this.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. So once again, thank you for inviting me, and it's been an amazing experience to visit the factory and to see the new developments, and there are new things to come, obviously. So we're looking forward to work with you in years to come.
Most welcome. I look forward to more success, and let's move forward together.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Take care.
Take care.